In this video, we will learn how to check all keyboard shortcut keys in new Outlook. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and go to the View tab. Then click on the View Settings option. And here you see the Settings dialog box is open. Then click on the General tab and click on the Accessibility option. And here in Accessibility, have a keyboard shortcuts. So you can perform the many common tasks using the keyboard. Choose which version of the shortcut to use. So there are three options here available. So Outlook for Windows, Outlook for web, and turn off the keyboard shortcuts. So I suggest select the first one to use Outlook for Windows. And to see the full list of supported shortcut, press the question mark. So you can just press the question mark and you can see the all keyboard shortcuts, or you can just click here to see the keyboard shortcut. I just click here and here you see the all keyboard shortcut keys. Outlook for Windows shortcuts are selected. You can see I just drag below. So here the write email, to write email here these shortcuts key available. Email list, so these are the shortcut key. Read emails, so these shortcuts key. Email action, okay, so these are the list of shortcut keys. Go to, so these shortcut keys. So this is the way the category wise shortcut key you can learn here and you can use for your daily basis. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.